This is a 1930 Ford Model A pickup. 4 cylinders. And they leave blank how many owners have have had this vehicle. See the spare, fender mounted spare there. Perfect condition, really. It has an alternator, which is a good substitute. Wire wheels. And a very nice pale yellow color. It goes very nicely with the black fenders. Windshield cranks out. Nice upholstery. There are the instruments, and it appears that there is a top available for the truck. It's not present right now. There's a little knob there. It looks like a swivel point for the top. It's really cool. Very useful.